Good evening, folks. It's now about 7:30 on the evening of December the 2nd. And of course, it was a nice day in the market today. We made a little money today, not that much for the amount the Dow was up. Wanted to show you one trade in particular we made today that's a little different than what we've been doing. We've been trading basically 1,000 share blocks, but when you get in these high price shares, for instance, like CME, which is trading at $311, $312 a share, it's pretty hard to put out $311,000 on one trade. So what I did today was buy 100 shares of CME, and of course that's only $30,000 or so. But still, we can make money in that arena, and also the downside risk is less for 100 shares of CME than it would be for a lower price stock where we have 1,000 or 2,000 shares. In CME, we bought, like I say, 100 shares at right about 10 o'clock, the price of 308 and 10 cents, and we just rode it on up until up in this area right here. I put a trailing stop loss in, and we got stopped out right at the very low in this area right here. Unfortunately, we didn't get this rest of this ride up here. But it was a nice move there for 100 shares. Let's see, we made $386 in this little move right here. We traded several other stocks today and made small profits in all of them. We traded Baidu, Amazon, Apple, in addition to CME. So we ended up making $843 today. We had $240,000 invested for 0.35% profit today. And it doesn't seem like we're making much money here in this big move over the last couple of days. But remember, what we're trying to do here is have a kind of a second job where we have an income. We sell out at the end of the day, and that money's in our pocket. It's not at risk again. And so this is the philosophy. Obviously, if we have 100% in the market on days like this, we're going to make a lot more money than we did the last couple of days. I'm going to do a summary of November here shortly, and I'll post that, and it'll show us how much we made per day for the days we traded. So y'all have a good night, and we'll try again tomorrow.